Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Icon Airflite Blockchain. This helmet is quite familiar. It kind of looks like the Battlescar 2. However, there are a couple upgrades. There's an airfoil piece that goes on the top, gives it a much more aggressive look. And I personally think that the print on it is much nicer as well. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna open this thing up and I'm gonna give you my initial impressions on it. I already own the Airflite Synthwave helmet and I really like that. It's quite a comfortable helmet if you get the right size. They do run a little narrow, so make sure that you go a size up from what you normally would. So let's get straight into this. Starting here at the top, you have the piece protecting it, and it's got the manual showing that it is DOT and ECE certified. Coming in a little bit further, this is that airfoil piece that I was talking about that's going to go right over the top, gives it a very aggressive look. Here we have the smoke-colored flight shield. That's awesome. We've got some instructions, and there's actually a sticker in here as well, I know from before. And then we have the helmet itself. Inside it's packed quite nicely. It's got some foam to protect it during shipping or whatever. Okay, so let's if you've ever had an Icon helmet, then you kind of know what to expect. They're really great quality. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so I have not seen this in person yet. I've seen a couple other reviewers unbox theirs and give their initial impressions, but here we go. Okay, already just by seeing the back, I love the shade of the green. Oh, hell yes. This one actually comes with two flight shields. So it has the clear one that comes with it. That's nice if you're going to be doing any night riding or riding after the sun has gone down. That'll come in very handy. And it comes with the smoke flight shield. I did not have to pay extra for this. This is the piece that's going to go right on the top here. Give it a very aggressive look. And yeah, let's check something else out here. We have a couple of your vents right here. If you haven't owned an Icon Airflite helmet in the past, then tell you a couple things about it. These actually flip up. There'll be your vents right here. You also have a vent down here in the nose piece that is functional. And let's open this up. And we also have the visor. This visor can be replaced. Goes up and down. This is nice. We're gonna go ahead and get the flight shield swapped out, put this smoke one in. So in order to do that, all you have to do is pop these sides off. Then just lift this up a little more. It'll pop right off. We're going to open this one up. We're just going to take this one and you just flip it up where you started, line those up. So once you have that shield back on, in order to put these back on, all you have to do is just line them up. Drop this down, snap them back in place. Okay, so now that we have the smoke flight shield on there and we've removed the clear one, let's go ahead and get this piece installed. It's got all kinds of double-sided tape on it. It's pretty self-explanatory where it goes. So all you have to do here with this piece is it sets right back down in there inside the spoiler, and that's how you know it's in place, and then you would push it down. So we're going to go ahead and take off the double-sided tape. Okay, with that done, we're just going to set this on the back here. We're just going to slide it into place, like I said, underneath. Set it down. And then push it down into place. Wow, that thing looks wicked. So let's take a look at this. So there you have it. This is the Icon Airflite Blockchain helmet. It's pretty amazing if you ask me. I dig it. Let's see what it looks like on. So there you have it, guys. This is the Icon Airflite Blockchain helmet. I think it's awesome. It looks great. It fits exactly like any of the other Airflites if you've worn it. They're very snug, but they fit comfortable. They're harder than hell to get on, but once you get it on, it fits quite nicely. It feels pretty comfortable. So yeah, if you're a fan of this style of aggressive looking helmet, I think you're really gonna like this one. It does remind me a lot of the Battle Scar too. However, I think that where the Battle Scar left off, this really carries it forward and takes it to the next level of aggression, especially with this piece up top here. It actually will help ram the air through and hopefully pull some of that out the back from the exhaust. So I think it will actually have a little bit of functionality rather than just only looking pretty cool. So there it is. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video. I will leave a link in the description where you can pick this up, and I'll see you guys next time.